Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds AirPods Pro using your phone. We have two options how to charge it using the phone. The first one is to use the cable. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have also USB-C port, so connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. And now, the most important is this LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use reverse wireless charging, but your phone should support this technology. You need to go to the settings, then to the battery, and in the battery we have battery share. So you need to tap at this line, enable this mode. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at your phone. And again, so we have the LED light, also meaning that these earbuds are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!